Good morning. We will start session 3 on chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals. So till now we studied about exterior angles, interior angles, how to find sum of interior angles of a given polygon. So next we will deal more about exterior angles now. The first one, find x in the following figure. Now a triangle they have given and they have given us 3 exterior angles, I mean 2 exterior angles. Directly you can write this as angle 125 degree plus 125 degree, or anyways it's an angle only. Why again next angle you need to write? Directly 125 degree you can be written. 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x is equal to 360. What will you write here? Sum of, reason has to be written, exterior angle is 360. Okay, 125 plus 125, 250. 250 plus x is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 minus 250. Therefore, x is equal to 360 minus 250, 110. X is 110 degree. Similarly, we have another one. So this was A and this is B. So which diagram it is? It is a pentagon. Pentagon also, what is it? Sum of exterior angles are 360. We know that, correct? So let us mark. This is 70. This is x. So the symbol indicates it is 90 degree perpendicular. If this is 90, children, this is also 90. Perpendicular, when we say they are 90 degree. This one more angle they have given it as perpendicular, that is 90, and they have marked one more angle as 60 again. So we will write here now 90 degree, we go in order, plus 70 degree plus x plus 90 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 360. Reason, sum of exterior angle of triangle, children, here. Sum of exterior angle of pentagon 2, 3, 4, 5 pentagon is 360. So 90, 90, 180 plus 70 plus 60, you will get that as 310. So x plus 310 is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 minus 310. X is equal to 50 degree. Over. This is how we calculate sum of exterior angles of a given figure where one angle is unknown. Quickly, we'll begin with the next one. It's a very small exercise. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a polygon. Each. Now, we know the formula to find each exterior angle where number of sides should be given. What is that? Each exterior angle E is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. With that we will find. I have given you the list of formulas. Second mean, first one, write N is equal to 9. So formula, each exterior angle is equal to 360 upon 9. So that is 360 upon N, sorry children, upon N, and 360 upon 9. 9 4s are 36, 0. So exterior angle is equal to 40 degree. Next, second one, N is given as 15 sides. Exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees upon number of sides. So it is 360 upon 15. So when you divide this, 1s are 24s are. So E is equal to each exterior angle is 24 degree. Okay. Next. Read the question. Next one is the other way of it. How many sides does a regular polygon have? Third one. How many sides does a a regular polygon have if the measure of an is nothing but 1. Measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree. Same question, how many sides will it have? 15. Write the formula. N is equal to 360 upon E. So N is equal to 360 upon 24. It's the other way of it. So N is equal to 15 sides. Okay. Next one. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Now let us assume the question and write how many sides. N is equal to, they have asked us here, if each of the interior angle is 165 degree. Now there is no relation between number of sides and interior angles, right? We can't be applying this formula, but there is a relation between, we know that interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180, right? Sum of a interior angle and a exterior angle is 180. So first find exterior angle here to apply this formula to find number of sides. Number of sides can only be found out by exterior angle formula only. No other way. You can't find out that only by interior angle. So we have to apply this, find exterior and then find interior. 165 plus exterior angle is equal to 180. So exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 165. Exterior angle is equal to 15 degree. Now exterior angle is 15. So what do you get that here? We have got that somewhere. Number of sides they have got, exterior angle is given. Number of sides they are asking, let us find. In the other way it is here. Number of sides is equal to, number of sides 5 I have written, children, sorry, that's what I was wondering. 360 divided by exterior angle, that is E. So formula shall be right. N is equal to 360 upon 15, where number of sides is equal to 24. That is how you find out here. Okay. Then the last fifth main AB and next one also we have, it's something where we have to write. You finish this, we'll start with the fifth and sixth one also. Okay, and the last two, as I have told, it's a very small exercise and today's will be the smallest session. Fifth one, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? That means they are asking, can we have a regular polygon whose each exterior angle measures 22? Why can't? For example, if I say that means number of sides of a polygon I need to find. So when I divide 360 by 22, since 22 is not a divisor of 360, I can't divide it. Answer will come in form of fraction. Number of sides cannot be in fraction or decimal. So, since 22 is not a divisor of 360, it is not possible to have a regular polygon whose measure is 22 degree. Next one. Can 22 degree be an interior angle of a regular polygon? If yes, or if not, why? No, because it cannot be, because each exterior angle will be, if that is an interior angle, we know the relation that interior plus exterior is 180. Therefore, exterior will be 180 minus 22, 158. If interior is 22 degree, exterior will be 158 degree. Again, when you divide 360 by 158, you will not get a complete answer. Which is not a divisor of 360. That means the answer will be in the form of a fraction or a decimal, where a regular polygon cannot be there. So no for both with reason. Next one. What is the maximum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? So maximum interior angle, when we talk about, it's nothing but a equilateral triangle. So interior angle in the equilateral triangle will be 60 degree. We all know that. The equilateral triangle being a regular polygon of 3 sides, has the least measure of an interior angle, that is 60. Then, what is the greatest exterior angle? If I consider interior angles of an equilateral triangle, 60, 60 and 60. Exterior angle is always given by sum of two opposite sides. So, it has to be 120. Relation, interior plus exterior is 180. Exterior is 180 minus 60, 120. That means a greatest exterior angle a polygon can have is 120. Least measure of an interior angle polygon can have is 60 degree. So please write down this. With that we complete this exercise. And there is no homework in this exercise given, but you can practice worked examples given before this exercise. Any doubt in today's session, you can call on the same day of the video set. Thank you.